With the size of a reno as big as this one, you don't know what you're going to get because of the age of the house. So the difference with designing for a family instead of just a standard couple, there's a few things that we included within the space which really work for the family and what they needed for the house. So one being a brand new full-length aluminium door, which will really help separate the living, entertaining and the sleeping areas of the house.
Love the door here with the fluted glass at the bottom, makes it look classy. And the transom window up the top, letting light through the hallway, makes that hallway feel twice as high and twice as wide.
So what we're also doing is we're going to be removing this wall of windows and doors to match the aluminium door we're putting in the hallway. This will be the same sort of style. So it's going to be a large sliding stacker, which will be great for the summertime when they want to eat outside or entertain or watch the kids when they're playing out in the garden. We're in our kitchen living space at the moment, and we're actually going to be doing a big flip of everything, and just to be able to give them more storage, a bit more grander of an entrance.
So we had a couple of walls in the way, which we were able to get rid of those and reduce them to fit the kitchen here, which gives us great flow at the back, big back sliding stack of doors. So it gives us that open living area and a clean thoroughway from the front door right down to the back. Then coming through here to the island.
So the colour is Sharp Blue by Dulux. It's in a 2-pack finish. It's a really deep, moody tone of blue, which really offsets nicely with the marble of the stone and the brass accent. So it really works together cohesively.
And the stone tying into that, picking up the blue veins, looks schmick.